In this tutorial, we will be finishing off our wall weaves for hanging. To do this, we will take our weaves off the loom and attach it to a stick for hanging. Here are some examples. We will first start by flipping up our bottom fringe to reveal underneath. You can take your fork or your hands and move that basic underweave upwards so that it is on the top of the cardboard raised edge. I'm trying it out both ways with my fork and my hands, and right now my hands are the best option for this right now. This is important because we don't want any of our beautiful work that we've loomed to come apart. Here I'm pushing up as much as possible to give myself room to work. You will be flipping your loom over to remove the tape from the bottom of both sides. Start by pulling off the first set on the bottom strings. Cut the first loop bottom so you are left with two pieces. Then, with the far left one that was taped, tie a double knot with the one cut piece beside it. You will be left with one string like here. Move to the next and pull it off the loom. Cut it and tie the left string to the next one beside it like you did before, and repeat these steps. Once you're done double tying each set of strings, your bottom is now finished. Now, let's attach the stick to our weave. Take the time to find the perfect stick for your weave. I like finding ones at the lake, like a piece of driftwood for example, or maybe an extra piece that's fallen off of a tree. Flip your loom over and pull off the yarn off the top. It will be a lot easier to pull off than when you did the bottom. You will not need to cut anything on the top, so please be careful and don't forget this important fact. No scissors will be used for the top portion. Take your stick and slowly, one loop at a time, place your stick through. I noticed that ending with a basic weave on the top was not ideal as it got in my way. Lesson learned for next time, and tried to end on a sumac weave so it's nice and tight on the top and you don't make the mistake like me. Here I like to just shimmy the loops down the stick one by one to the desired middle placement. Make sure also to save your cardboard loom and make sure to give it back to the teacher for reuse for future classes. Attach a final string to your stick for hanging. There you have it. Here are some other examples of different wall weaves that have been completed, showing great use of color, texture, and a good execution of the different techniques. And now it's your turn. This concludes my tutorial on how to finish your wall weaves with a stick and completes my wall weaving series. Hope you enjoyed learning with this new medium.